Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a little one who loves to help, especially with handy projects, this tape measure from Learning Resources has been so much fun for my little guy. I really love it because it's safe and it's effective in helping them to learn how to measure and really just get comfortable with a measuring tape. So this one here has a nice large grip handle, which makes it easy for them to use. But what I really love is you can actually measure with it. So it has both standard and metric units of measurement. So one side has inches, the other side has centimeters, and it has a really nice length to it. Perfect for a little person, right? So it goes up to 4 feet or 120 centimeters on the metric side. It's extremely easy to use. I personally love the little yellow stopping tab at the beginning, which gives them a place to start, and then it stretches out. You can stretch it out and then simply just use this crank here to crank it up too. My son personally loves using this, whether we're specifically talking math, talking numbers. It's helped him learn numbers, how to read a measuring tape, but he also loves just taking it around, measuring random household items or toys too. It's been really great for us to talk about the concept of something being bigger or smaller than each other and using comparisons with just looking at the numbers as well. This tape measure is the perfect first tape measure. It's nice and safe and the perfect learning tool for little hands. And that's my point of view.